Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. आज मेरे साथ है students from Altera. Now this podcast is going to change your perception about MBA for sure. Let's talk to Prashansa. Prashansa is in Altera first year. She has left baby IIMs by the way. Huh? Now this is going to be a shocker. कि यार baby IIM कौन छोड़ता है Altera के लिए? But I think she has left baby IIMs. She has left couple of more IIMs मेरे ख्याल से. KJ Somas of the world, Wellinkers, then I think Soil, etc. All these colleges. She's got a WorkX also. I'm going to start with you. My first question. यार मार्केट में ना टिपिकली आईएम्स बच्चे छोड़ते नहीं है फॉर अ प्रीटी न्यू इंस्टीट्यूट लाइक Altera and you are a WorkX person, definitely you are pretty much mature, you have seen the market, etc. Why did you choose Altera over and above baby IIMs?
Because they have a digital first roles and they put more emphasis on practical learning and applied marketing.
Would you mind telling us your percentile by the way for all the exams?
So I got 88 percentile in CAT, 243 in NMAT.
243 in NMAT, not
and
bad.
And 99.78 in CMAT.
99.78
in CMAT.
Wow, 99.78 in CMAT. So CMAT means she's like top 0.2% in the country. Very good. Go ahead.
So the curriculum really impressed me. It was more focused on what's happening right now and what will happen in the future. And it incorporated a lot of my interest in marketing. I wanted a marketing first institute and this was a marketing first institute.
But don't you think that at your age or at your level, a lot of people in the country or a lot of youngsters in the country would not look at this digital first kind of thing and they would be like, nahi yaar, IIM ka tag kaise chodu, because that's a taboo that we follow in the country, right? Pretty orthodox cheezein jo chalti aa rahi hai. So were it you little bit unclear that point time कि मैं IIM tag छोड़ के फिर Altera कैसे जाऊँ? What is that X factor in Altera that you found?
I think the X factor was also the experience of past alumni. I talked to some of them. I got to know that how they prepare you for future. When you enter, you get a placement and you go to your job. You don't need to learn many things. You're already prepared to do what the job needs. And also because in the future 5 to 10 years, there are going to be more digital roles than the traditional roles. Traditional roles are going to phase out. Because AI is eating up a lot of jobs and creating a newer job in the digital first era. So I think I'm preparing myself for a future that will incorporate all of these things.
I'll go to Ram now. Ram, quickly, can you tell me your background? Whatever I know about you is like triple IT guy and worked in the family business. Family business is into FMCG distribution, etc. Tell me more about exams you cracked, percentile, colleges you left.
So I'm from IIM Kanchipuram. Coming out of IIM Kanchipuram, just out of the COVID zone, I couldn't crack a good job. So I worked with my father. We have an FMCG distribution business. So I worked with him for like 1.5 years. During the period, I also took a little time out of my daily to prepare for CAT and MAT and all. I got 232 in NMAT.
Nice.
And 89 in CAT.
Nice.
So I got a lot of calls from Tapney, KJ Somaya, NMAT.
All the reputed tier 2 colleges in the country. Very nice.
But Altera seemed to be a choice I would make, take a risk, get a reward kind of thing. So I asked my father, we always interact with people, ASMs, ZSMs, RMs and all. So they also suggested go into marketing first role or digital first roles. So I researched about it, and Altera alumni are really good. They'll interact with you, they'll guide you through everything. The first thing I thought about Altera is, wow, they are even better at things like this. So, okay, let me take a risk. I spoke to a few people and they said, yeah, please go to that. Digital marketing is the future of the marketing.
Okay, so that's where you chose Altera. Fantastic. Nalini, over to you. इन्होंने भी बहुत सारे exams फोड़े by the way, and she's a fresher. Please give me in the next 10 seconds your background in the exams you cracked.
Yes, so basically I graduated from Christ University, Bangalore.
Christ, okay.
And I took a gap year in which I was preparing for CAT. And in NMAT I got 239 marks.
Not bad.
And SNAP 95 percentile.
Not bad.
So I had calls from SIBM Bangalore. Then even from NMIMS Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
So, but I chose Altera because my friend is a ex-Altera alumni, and when I talked to her, I got to know that the ROI during Altera time period is very great, and I could see the improvement in her and her growth, which kind of inspired me as well to pursue this course. And I was kind of inclined towards the marketing roles that were being offered here, and the new upcoming job roles which are in the market right now, that Altera kind of supports you in achieving those.
Okay, fantastic. Welcome to Om now. Om got 89 percentile, got calls from IIMs, New Delhi. What are other colleges? 4 से आया था और कहाँ से calls आए थे? GIM से भी call आया. And you're a fresher.
Yeah.
Okay, 89 CAT, not bad. NMAT?
241.
241, not bad at all. Why Altera?
So personally, what I said that like my father pushed me to the universities that have more practical side pedagogy, not on the theory side. And honestly, my father doesn't care about the IIM tag or also, and even I, because there what roles are coming and what roles here are coming. It's like the future is going where the market is going and the what roles Altera is providing.
So let's talk about थोड़ा बहुत curriculum के बारे में, because so guys, when you talk about Altera, it's an experiential learning, right? So if you look at Karan sir, who's the founder of Altera, then you've got Alex sir, right? He's an FMS, I think IIM the bug guy. You've got Arshdeep, who's an FMS alumni. So इन लोगों ने ना corporate में काम करा है. They've spent good 10 years, 15 years in the corporate, and now they teach, right? So where theory meets practicality. So it's not only theory. It is backed with the practical knowledge also. So now you guys tell me, यहाँ पे curriculum कैसा है? Teaching pedagogy कैसी है? Practical चीजें जो होती है वो कैसे पढ़ाया जाता है? I'm very sure कि आपके friends होंगे बाकी colleges में, है ना? Tier 2 में होंगे, कुछ IIMs वगैरह में भी होंगे, उनसे बातें तो आपकी होती होंगी, right? तो वहाँ से कुछ feedback आता है आपको कि यार हमारे यहाँ पे ऐसे पढ़ाया जाता है, आपके यहाँ पे कैसे पढ़ा है?
Yes,
Anybody?
I have a friend in Raipur. So we had a conversation last Diwali. They're having a conversation about how the teachings are there. For them, it's mostly theory. They teach all the theories, all the books. But when I spoke with him, I know that we are somewhere forward than the IIMs. We know we are going towards the future, not staying in the present. So we are speaking about it, and there's full of theory. Never go to GTs or MTs. Never spoke with any other people. But we in the just 1 month we stayed here, we went to marketplaces everywhere and spoke to people. How's the business going? We took numbers. How it's the business is going forward. Will it change? Will it stagnate? Kind of things. And we came back, made presentations out of it, drawn insights, and every market insights we can crack. Even with the projects also, the varied number of projects and the varied genres of the projects we get is really good.
Perfect. Anybody else want to add in anything? Oh,
So it's like one morning you are learning particular subject, and in the evening you are going for the practical, like you are going outside in the market and looking for the insight, and you are doing the same for assignment for that particular subject. So in whole one day you are also learning the theory, you are applying the whole theory till the evening also, and you are looking the practical side of what you are learning. So you get the fair idea of what I am learning and where I am applying and how it is applied in overall market. So you are very thorough with whole the concept.
Prashant, you have spent good amount of time in the market, right? You have worked very well. How's your experience here?
So far it's been really good. I also love the fact that we get to learn by industry professionals. So they share their experience, how they work, what is the day in their life like, what all the things they need to do. So we get an insight on how we are going to do the work, how we are incorporating whatever we are learning in the job, how the direction will go. So I really like that. Also on the job, a lot of things I did was learning by my seniors and learning on the job using the internet and the books. The same I feel here. All of the things I'm learning, I'm practically using them. So it's getting somewhere, I'm getting to learn it somewhere that I can apply it in the future.
So tell me more about case study. You know, because MBA is not an MBA without case studies, right? So क्या type के case studies आप पढ़ते हो? And क्या approach होता है case study का?
Till now, I think we have studied about Netflix, the once of Excel case study which we had done. So during this, it is given to us, we have a pre-read of it, we have our own understanding. Based on that, we solve it, we try to ourselves deduce what can happen, what is the best approach to go for it. And then the next day, we solve it in the class, and it's very fun actually to do it in the class with the mentors here, because
Okay.
they tell you about what has actually happened and how it has evolved with the time, and it gives you like the whole insight in the industry, what has been going on.
Perfect. And how is it? Is it very rigorous? कि भाई बस पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, केस स्टडी सॉल्व कर रहे हो, रट्टा मार रहे हो, या फिर प्रैक्टिकल के साथ साथ you guys have fun also, या फिर chill है यहाँ पे academically?
I wouldn't say it's rigorous in the sense of working hard. It's
Okay.
rigorous in the sense of you work, you'll see the result immediately. You'll see the applications. You'll see even your quiz test scores going up. You'll immediately see the results. That's not rigorous. That's kind of fun for me.
After
पर तुम
hours,
लोगों को भी 4-5 घंटे का नींद मिलता है या फिर 12 घंटे का नींद मिल रहा है यहाँ पे अच्छे से?
no,
I
like
think
this, 6
4-5
hours.
Yeah.
तो ऐसे नहीं कि मैं कि नया इंस्टीट्यूट है तो काफी चिल होगा, 12-12 घंटे बच्चे सो रहे हैं, they also have the same
No.
curriculum. So दो चीजें होती है guys, एक होता है academician और एक होता है practical approach. So when you are somebody who comes from, let's say, corporate world, like 10-15 years of work ex, I think you're not more towards academics, right? आप academics तो पढ़ाते हो but काफी practical level पे पढ़ाते हो, and I think that's what Karan sir and Alex sir would try to do here. I think that's what has been happening. Okay, my last question for the day. ठीक है, a lot of people have given cat was horrible, right? Now they have NMAT, they've got Snap, etc. Any piece of advice you want to tell them? Because you were also in the same shoe last year. Any advice from your side?
Yes, I'll just start.
Huh.
So
See, like I got work ex, I'll take the lead. Yes, Princess, go ahead.
No, I have personal insight,
Please go
personal
ahead.
recommendation for that. So I did mess up my CAT a little bit because that's what I feel. And for 2 to 3 days, I was really in the zone that what did I do wrong? Why did I do wrong? I wouldn't be able to crack what I wanted. But then I decided I can't stuck up on that because I have more exams coming up. If I don't do well in them, then the whole year is wasted. Whatever I left my job because of this. So I can't waste it. I determined to forget everything that happened in CAT. Start afresh and
Right.
use all the learnings to do something better in the next one. So if you messed up a little bit, just use all the learning.
But you
from the
messed up
last
your CAT, which is in the month of November, but in CMAT, which happened in the month of January,
Yes.
like right after like 60 days, you scored 99.78. So
Yes.
that's a great bounce back, by the way.
Yeah.
So kudos for that. Anybody else want to
Yeah.
tell them anything?
Yeah, so the first thing I'll suggest the people who are applying for CAT and NMAT was that people think the practice tests we take are not important, but that is the main thing. You need to contest with time. And also that if you can't find answer for a question, don't leave it. Take a screenshot, take a picture of it, work on it later, work on the topic. That's the main thing I'll suggest any guy who's applying for CAT.
Okay. Om?
Yeah, I would say
Sorry,
like,
Nalini. Go ahead.
So I think with the CAT, which is over, so I mean, everybody is going to say that, but actually it's not the end of the world. Even I messed up my CAT really bad. But I think you have many other options coming up. You have Snap, NMAT, and then ZAT is also coming up, which is a very good opportunity.
Right.
So I think you still have time and you can do a lot
Fantastic.
in this time, yes.
Oh, anything
yes,
from your
what
side?
Nalini said, like don't lose the hope.
Okay.
Go through all the process, whatever you have scored, apply colleges to what all range you
Altera
scored.
apply करना है कि नहीं करना है? फिर बोलो.
Yes, you definitely like consider also the Altera for the practical knowledge particularly, and what roles and where the market is going.
Okay. Fantastic. Guys, thank you so much for giving some time. And I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. I hope my channel was helpful during your journey,
Yeah.
preparation. Anything
Yes,
you want to talk
Yes,
about
sir.
it? Last but not the least.
So it was mostly I took a course outside. I was
Right.
going there and here, but when I need some motivational or something to look at, I looked up your channel.
Perfect. Anything, Nalini?
So when I had to resolve some topic or something, I was stuck up there. I used to just search for your videos, and that kind of really helped me clear my doubts in the topic.
Thank you. Om, anything from
Also
your side?
the honest reviews regarding any college. If I have any confusion regarding any college,
Yeah.
I used to go through your videos and like clear my whole doubt. regarding
Perfect.
it.
Thank you so much, guys, for giving some time, and I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Next year,
Thank you,
आऊंगा.
sir.
I make sure that with high packages, आप लोग यहाँ पे बैठे होंगे, and we do the interview again. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Make sure that you hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.